on topic. Boo, Unity could know better. What's up, Torpid? Yeah, coming back to this thing. This little Bomberman-esque clone I've got going here. Is it broken? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I starting from the wrong stage? No, I'm on startup. That was weird. I'm gonna blame the editor for that. And I'm not quite sure what I want to do today, honestly. So one thing that crossed my mind is just like better overall bomb control. So like right now, I guess we did change it so you can't move the bombs yourself, so that's a start. Yeah. I had a list of things I was planning to maybe do tonight. So like throwing the bombs, like kicking them, possibly growing them, working on co-op mode. I'm not sure which one I want to jump into. All of them are things that I'd really like to start getting into, but I don't know. Unity announced Dots is production ready. Just for performance. Wow, yeah, dope. Turn my music down on my end a little bit here. It's flooding my thoughts. Okay, yeah, so I guess for starters, if we wanted to let the player throw bombs, let's make some logic for that. Or pick them up, I guess, rather, is the starting point here. First I need to go edit the control chart so that we have an input for that. We'll just add another action here, and we'll call this pickup bomb. And this one will be what are we using right now? So button south and button west. So I guess maybe button north. And then does E do anything right now on the keyboard? I don't think it does. Yeah, we'll use E for the keyboard. Pardon me. Turn that down just a smidge on your guys' end too. Oh, yes, do save my changes, please, and thank you. Fun little anecdote. I don't know if I'm missing a button here, but when you're editing the control mappings in your Unity project, if you're using this input system, that is, this autosave is checked by default, so like anytime you change anything, it'll just save it, you don't need to worry about it. But the problem with that is that will frequently need like scripts to recompile every time it changes anything, so it's kind of obnoxious. But without that, maybe save asset is the other option here. Let me see. Okay, I guess there's the save button. I was gonna complain, like I don't think there's like a save button though. So it prompts you when you leave if there's changes, but that's just how I've been saving. I didn't notice that save button though. Anywho, so now we have a new input here. If I go to the player controller, so eventually I want to make it so like if you're holding this when you spawn a bomb, you'll have a bomb in your hands to begin with. I think for now we'll just add logic so we can detect when the bomb's on the floor, and then let the player pick it up when that's the case, if they're pressing this button. And then maybe we'll trim that down as well to, like, only do it for the first few frames of them pressing the button, just so there's, like, I don't know, there's no weirdness with, like, running around holding the grab button and just picking stuff up randomly. And some of that logic's gonna actually be in the bomb scripts, because we'll need the bomb to react to being picked up and all that jazz. However, yeah, no, this we'll get that figured out. Actually, yeah, you know, honestly, let's start with the bomb script. So let's go ahead and so we'll need a pickup, we'll need a toss, and we'll also need a I guess we don't need a put down, but let's pretend for now that we'll have a put down as well. And then we'll have some private variables. Is held. Actually, that's not the right naming convention, whatever. So we'll call this when the player picks it up, and then when they let go. And I guess we'll have, like, toss versus put down. We could do it, like, if you're standing still or not. I don't know. Maybe I'll put another button in that you can put it down gently if you want. But we'll determine that later. The important thing is... Oh, and actually, we'll want which direction to throw it in. I don't think I'll need to send an RPC out for this, because basically, we just need... Ooh, we kind of do, though. Okay. Here's the problem. So any player can pick up any bomb, right? I guess I could restrict this if I wanted to. But I'm pretty sure the non-owner of the script... So, like, if I am, like, an other player, and I'm trying to move the bomb because I picked it up, so I'm trying to attach to this player, I'm pretty sure that won't work because it wants the person that owns the particular script to update it. So what we'll want to do is send an RPC out specifically to the owner of whatever bomb we're picking up and tell it, hey, for this player, go pick this bomb up. We actually don't really need the whole player controller. We actually just need to transform. The problem with all that is I think even a transform will not go across an RPC call. It's like too much data. But maybe it's not, I don't know. So the tricky thing is, man, okay. Here's where I'm stuck. I think the RPC is going to need to happen from here. And maybe that's okay that we do this. Hmm. Actually, maybe not. Maybe this is fine. Maybe that can happen a layer up. The thing is, we need to, like... The references to the bombs are, like, under each player individually, but the person picking it up might not have a reference to the bomb that they are picking up. It's kind of a tricky problem here. Well, I guess for the time being, we'll send the whole thing over. I'll figure out those logistics later. I might have this ass backwards, I'm not sure. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I like this control flow better anyhow. Hey, what's up, Raina? Oh, and also we should toss in one of these. So, because the position of this thing syncs across all of the clients, you're having a good Sunday? Thanks. I'd say I am. Kind of wiped myself out with a little too much yard work, but hey, we're here. I was like, oh shit, it's like 9, I should probably start my stream. But yeah, we only need one person to update the position of the bombs because it will sync across automatically using the engine that we're using. So we can just exit out early if the current bomb is not this bomb. With some details TBD for when a different player picks up the bomb. couple of thoughts just crossed my mind. So number one, like, this won't pause like the timer, nor will it disable the ability for the person that owns the bomb to detonate it if it's a remote bomb. So you could just instantly blow up any bomb that like someone picks up of yours if you have remote bombs. um So these will just be a couple constants that we have. Whoa. I think I'm doing this the right way. We'll see. Let's start that at 0 and see what looks right. Oh, and I guess also, oh, got that one backwards. And I suppose the other thing too is we would want to turn off gravity temporarily while that's happening. Oh, you know what? We also want to do that while it's exploding too. I need to go back and check what my bombs are, like, just as a like general resource here. I need to open that some more. Ah, okay, so the bomb mesh has a rigid body. That's got its own script. Gotcha. And both of these have one of those, right? Yeah. So we'd actually need to go grab that and Right, so I was just thinking I need to solve the problem with like when it explodes it shouldn't have gravity, but that's already solved because the explosion itself is on a different like hierarchy and doesn't have any kinematics attached to it. Do we have an initialize? Oh, we have this. I guess I can do it in here. Oh, I'll do it in here instead. I guess I should do this instead. Just to be absolutely accurate in case I end up putting another rigid body in there later so I don't cause problems for myself. Cool. Okay. So now I'm gonna do something potentially a little weird. Maybe. There we go. I want to go look at the player. There we go, found it. And what we're gonna do here... I don't know why this is a blank screen. It's very weird. Oh, I'm at the game window. That's why it wasn't responding to anything. Alright. So there's the camera container. I'm gonna add a sub-object to this. I guess all this stuff is... yeah, all the stuff gets moved, so I don't need to worry about that. Create an empty under here. You're potentially a little weird? Damn. We'll call this the pickup radius, or the interact radius. This will just have a sphere collider on it. Might be a little bit wide. You know what, actually we want to... I almost want this in front of the player. I guess I can do that, right? Well, we would need a capsule collider, not a sphere collider. But we can do that. I'm trying to think if there's a better one, maybe, but no. Alright, cool. Give me a capsule collider. Right, and then I just need to tune this in like a lot. What is going on? Okay. I'm almost there. Maybe a box would just be easier to work with, honestly. Yeah, you know what? Scroll this spherical crap. Just give me a box collider. And which way is the player facing? I think that's correct. I suppose we'll see when I actually try to test this. Anyway, that is just a trigger. And then we're gonna need a script as well. And we definitely want this a little bit taller. Or well, maybe we don't want it that tall because we don't want them picking up stuff like above them, but yeah, something like that would be probably best. Cool, whatever. And then I need a new script. This is gonna be generally under gameplay. We'll call it player interact, or well, player bomb pickup radius. Sure is working hard to compile that. There we go. Oh, I want, that's not even close to being the right method name. But I also want on trigger enter, I think? I'm not sure now. I guess I misspelled it? Oh, I had the wrong parameter. I think this works correctly. Oh, I didn't close that off. Oh, it does have its parent bomb. Nice. Oh. So I'm gonna say we'll take the first bomb because it's probably most likely the one you're closest to if you're touching multiple. We could physically go find the closest one based on all of them, but leave it up to myself. Okay. So now we've got all that laid out. In our player controller, we'll want to keep a reference to this thing. You know what? We can just serialize it, so I don't need to do any of that other junk. And you know what? We'll do the same for the bomb script as well. Instead of calling the find object or find component in children, we'll just this thing. There we go. I just need to make sure I set that. Hey, Microchannel Matt, it's going well. How about yourself? Just working on my net play party game here. Lost my place. There we go. Okay. Yes, save changes to the player. And then this guy is going to need a reference to the rigid body down here. Feels a little bad to do this just because long term I think I'm going to not have that set, but that's okay. Or like, I don't know, I feel like maybe the bomb can get away with being a rigid body, but I feel like eventually I kind of want to get everything away from being rigid bodies and instead have my own like platforming logic, because like there's sort of a ceiling to how much I can do with Unity's default rigid bodies. And that's kind of the whole issue with players being able to push each other right now. Cool. Okay, so that reference is now set. Oh, I need to go back to the player actually. I need to set some new parameter. Yeah, the bomb pickup radius. Take that guy. That seems good. Okay, I did not wire up the buttons here just yet. I think we can test it after I do that. Although I don't know if I have a level with the remote bomb in it. I think I should make one just because kind of need that to, well, stress test this thing, because otherwise the bombs will just keep exploding in my face. Okay, so bomb pickup, player bomb pickup radius, cool. And then we also need to make this like net friendly. Like right now, this I'm almost certain it won't work online. Well, it won't work if you're not picking up your own bombs, which I could make that a rule, but I also don't need to make that a rule. We can let other players pick up other people's bombs. Then there's like implications of like picking up bombs and stuff, where like, should it change ownership? Should it stop you from like detonating a remote bomb when someone's holding it? Should it pause the timer on a time bomb? I don't know the answer to those questions, but we'll eventually figure it out, I guess. You know, actually, the idea of picking up other stuff sounds fun, too. I may want to branch this logic out a little bit. Maybe make, like, an eye pick-upable interface, or even, if I can, like, generalize the logic, maybe even a separate behavior. I don't know. Either way. More importantly, I actually have to bind the controls. Kinda want to rename that now so it's not Pickup Bomb. Let's do that now, because it'll be more of a pain in the ass later. You pick up. Wow, amazing. Anyway, sorry, I just learned that button existed. Uh-oh, something is wrong. Something hasn't refreshed. Well, it's also not telling me there's any errors in the compiler, so I think we're okay. Just, this hasn't reloaded yet. Actually, if I go into the thing, it'll probably refresh. C compiler? Eh. Fine, whatever, be that way. Oh, now it's not gonna autocomplete any— oh, I guess it will. Okay, I think it knows what it is, it's just visually not showing for some reason. God, this is such a good soundtrack. Still haven't played the game, but so we only bind these for the current instance, right? Like, okay, yeah, so if it's not— if it's like another player running this, this will never get bound, so it'll never get called. Cool. That's what I was hoping to see. And you know what? We'll just keep it simple. When you let go of pickup, you put it down. Oopsie-daisy. Oh. I'm rethinking this too now. I hate I hate this. Okay, let's rename this while we have relatively small usage of it. You. So player bomb pickup radius. Let's go with player pick up radius. Reopen the file. I broke everything, cool. Oh, that 100% broke this variable too. Oh well, when in Rome, you know, let's just go all in. Okay, I'll need to re-update the, I almost don't need this, but it's fine, we can do that. You know, I know there's a checkbox somewhere that gets rid of those little comments that go in the files. I should really go activate that. I've only been working in Unity for, what, like 6 years now? It's fine. Alright. I at least have laid the naming framework for this. To work on generic stuff. There's certainly some other refactoring that'll be required, but I think in the long haul I'll probably want more pickup logic of like picking up other stuff. Also probably logic for like, do I have an item to be able to pick stuff up, etc, etc. You know, whatever. Nope. Cool. That all sounds good to me. The only thing is I gotta go rebind the... or I assume I need to rebind the reference to that. Yep, sure do. Cool. And I guess now let's see if that worked. Again, I still need to handle this net-wise. Oh, I was gonna make a map where I can, like, guarantee that I get... a remote bomb, but that's okay. It's a power-up in here somewhere, right? I don't know if it's just a completely random one or something specific. I forget what that does. My Power Man instincts tell me it. Okay, that doesn't. Okay. Okay, E is the detonate button, so maybe we don't bind that to the pickup button as well. I don't think it was working though. To be fair. I'm like 99% sure that I want to be using on trigger enter, but just in case. Now we'll at least have some debugging. I bet, and is there a way to set, I'm pretty sure one of these is in here, not that, oh god. No. I want to see the collisions while I'm in here, and I know for a fact there's a way to do that, I just don't know. Wow, that was loud as hell. I'm gonna Google it, fuck it. Unity C collision. Always show colliders. It's in here. It's in here somewhere. Oh, is it up here? No. Okay. These appear to be alphabetically sorted, however, something ain't right. Oh, sorry, they don't collide in game, or show in game. Yeah, it's really easy. Select your objects in the inspector while your game. Oh, wait. Just select the button. Or select them in the game. Haha! Incredible. Eh. Alright. Back to game window. Wait, no. Error. I feel like this should be going off for like everything, but it's not going off for anything. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, so that part's working. I need to make sure that that's actually in the right spot, though, you know? Oh, I almost fell in the hole. I almost fell for my own gosh darn trick. I guess just... Wow, well, with me spinning around like crazy, that's not helpful. Alright. So, corner, right? We're looking out over the corner. I'm hoping... Okay, yeah, it's facing forward, so it's where we want it to be. It seems to be correctly determining, you know, when we start a collision, when we end it. Okay, well, that's fine. We don't need that, but that's just gonna cause chaos since we're already running. Whatever, don't care. Okay. Damn it. Suppose that's where we're facing at the moment. Yeah, we are. Okay. Alright, here's what we do. I go over here, and I use my goddamn controller to look where I'm trying to look. I need to just paint a face in this fucking thing so I can tell which way's forward. Okay. It is rotating with us correctly. Cool. Got it. It's that tiny thing down there. Whatever, doesn't matter. You know, I think I'm an idiot. I think that there's actually just like a thing over here. No. Oh, I had to click the frickin' gizmo window. Damn it. Okay, well, anyway, that's fine. There we go. I forgot to rebind the keys. Okay, well, if E is detonator, we'll use R, I guess, or whatever. Inputs. That's where you're at. Ooh, boy. There we go. What does detonate? Okay, detonate is right trigger on the keyboard, so totally fine with button north on the gamepad for picking stuff up. I guess I could have just done that, but whatever, it's fine. Here we go again. It broke for some reason. For no reason, even. You know, it's kind of funny. I don't know what that is behind there. Oh, it's a gizmo. Nice. Anyway, what's kind of funny? The oh, I should put more debug code in because I bet we are. Let's put some debug code in. Right. That should be more than enough. Let's see what the heck's going on. I bet that we are picking it up, it's just, it's not, it's not correctly updating the position. Maybe I screwed something up in my if statement. I feel like it would be spewing errors in that case, though. Okay, don't press the E key. Picked up. Put down. Okay. Picking something up, picked up, putting something down, put down. Okay. Did I just like screw up my logic in the bomb? Maybe that's what's wrong here. So we got our update loop. Handle bomb carry. If you're not held by the player, or you're exploding, or this is not yours, return. Otherwise, take the position and move it. What's the problem? Okay. Interesting. I don't know what the heck's going on here. I guess maybe I should... This is gonna spam the logs. Well, hopefully it will spam the logs. If it's not spamming the logs, then we have something else to look at. Oh no! I used the wrong boolean. Also, I never set the player. Okay, so that... There's a couple problems. I think we maybe have fixed this. I'm gonna not bother debugging in that other area. All these work, so I'm taking these debug statements out. That's probably all this was. Okay. And then... It's always something silly. So, unless I have been incredibly lucky, I think I actually just ended up... I just have a time bombed in, or timed bomb in here. Yeah, it seems to be that way every time, so we're good. Aw, snippity snap! We got a bomb. It slows us down because it's in our way. Okay, it needs to be a little bit more in front of us. That's actually kind of nice. I should make that work more officially that way, but, you know. Oh, yeah, you don't want to do that. That's fantastic. Okay, so picking up bombs works. We could probably tweak... Oh, you know what? I made these variables for a reason. Let's go ahead and do that again. Isn't game development magical? I'm sure you've never experienced anything fucky like that in your games, Microtonal Matt. The next thing I need to tackle is making this actually work with netplay. Well, okay, in a technical sense, this will work with netplay, but you'll only be able to pick up your own bombs. Sort of. I think locally you might be able to pick up someone else's bomb, but it's not going to sync, and it probably will throw errors because, like, the Photon Unity Network library, like, doesn't like it when you try to change properties of something that you don't own. Oh, you know what? I don't know how I'm gonna do this while I'm holding a button. All right, hold on. Let's tweak it slowly. Game. Bomb. Held distance in front of player. Double that up to 2. How's that look for us? Alright, cool. I can put it down gently as well. I'm gonna add throwing the bomb as well tonight. We should have time for that. Above player 1? Oh, that's like the perfect distance. This first coding bombs from my game. Some wild things happen. It's almost like asking for trouble putting bombs in your game. It's in one sense or another. Some poetic irony in that, I suppose. Is it? I can't tell if it's... No, okay, that's just the camera. Like, I can't tell if it's going up or down or not. Okay, oh wait, never mind. So you can kind of pick up stuff on a ledge. I guess that's fine, I want you to be able to do that. I might need to construct a level just to test, like, how generous that hitbox is. I guess I already know how generous it is. I can see, I have eyes, I can see. I'm dribbling. Now that's interesting, I like broke it. Goodbye, Bomb. See you later, Bomb-chan. Okay, I might need to, like... Actually, I have no idea why the Y position would not behave consistently here. It's very strange, actually. The only thing with putting it this far out in front of me, and also, I don't know what happened to this thing, but it's like drifting. Even though, by all accounts, it should have... Ooh, hold on a second. Alright, let's inspect this in the scene. I bet the, like, root node... Yep! Oh, they got detached because of physics. Damn it! So every time... Oh, God. Okay, well, I need to fix that. Every time I drop the bomb, it drags itself back down due to gravity. Actually, that has always been a problem, hasn't it? Here, let me go lay another bomb just to test this. I don't think that has anything to do with my pickup code. It's something to be fixed, for certain, but... It's like, I lay this bomb, right? So, the root node is not the thing that has gravity, so this, the parent thing should be off because of that. Yeah, and it is. Okay. Shoot. Okay, I'm gonna log that in this very complex system I have over here, as you can see. Here, I'll do it on screen, why not? Bomb position drift due to gravity not syncing with root node. There. Ta-da! That is simultaneously what saves us from having the explosions, like, go awry. But also, it's screwing us here because I'm trying to, like, position... I'm positioning it not where the bomb physically is. Maybe I should just position it where the bomb, or position the bomb physically. No, because then the explosion won't follow you. Damn it. Ah, there's no winning here. Okay, well, yeah, now it's, like, under the ground. Excellent. If I drop a bomb like that, does that despawn, or is it only players? I forgot how I coded all this. No, it's not getting deleted. I can see in the item list on the left there. Crap. Okay. Well, whatever. That's fine. One more thing to test, though. I can pick up regular bombs as well, right? I sure can. Oh, I'm gonna die. Also, I didn't save those variables because it's in a real-time editor. Good job, me. Set properties is not called because client is not ready yet. Oh yeah, that's that bug I have when I Xing the match by pressing the exit button or via the, like, end match button when you're in editor only for some reason throws an error, and I don't understand it. Okay, so number 1. Let's tweak those numbers to what we found to be comfortable. This is not the bomb script. So I think it was 2 and 1, although maybe dial in the held distance a little bit, because, like, we were actually pushing it out so far in front of the player that when they dropped it, it was, like, too far away from them. But one unit above the player was, like, exactly where it needed to be. That was, like, perfect. And I don't know if that's gonna... I ran into this problem, well, on stream, you guys saw it. But this problem where, like, I was updating default values, yeah, and it doesn't even though these aren't overriding the value, they don't update for some reason. So, whatever. Although I think if I, like, manually say, like, revert to original, it doesn't... Okay, I don't know. Whatever. God, my voice is rough tonight. Cool, okay, well that's that. So this is basically functioning, but next we need to make this actually work so that another player could pick up your bomb. We also need to make it throw the bomb if you're moving and all that stuff, yada yada yada. Whatever. That's hand wave, whatever. I think we have time to get all that done tonight. But I'll probably just focus on throwing the bombs tonight, honestly, because there's like some other questions I should probably answer about how this functionality should work, and also in a larger scope trying to figure out how to pick up like anything. Yeah, anyway. We're gonna focus on the pickup mechanic tonight, which I guess is what I said I'd do. I was gonna take a quick break, and I am gonna take a quick break still. However, this soundtrack is about to end, so you guys get Metroid ambiance, because that was the first thing in the recommended, and also that's some good music. Be right back. You know, the irony is, I know this is a thing you posted like 20 minutes ago at this point. The irony is, I completely forgot that there were bombs in your game. No, it's like the first thing that you unlock skill-wise, I think? I don't know, it's been a minute. Speaking of haunted PS1 stuff, I'm fucking hype. The sequel to Changed, or whatever. Changed. There we go. what am I doing? I want to... Oh yeah, okay, so we need to make this work for everyone now. So, essentially the problem we have here is when you go to pick this up, we need to, like, send a signal to somebody. So I think this can all happen on the bomb script itself. And it would need to be the instance that it's being executed on, so that's all fine. The only thing is I need to figure out how to serialize the actual player over our PC. I have a problem where I shouldn't be calling should be calling them pop pods, but I just can't stop saying bombs. And surely it's not littered throughout your code base or anything like that, right? Totally not bombs, TM. I don't know if I could point to anything like that in my particular current project or any ones I've worked on stream, but far be it from me to say I've never made a mistake like that, or even something in the ballpark of it, both on stream or just personally. Okay, so basically all I think I need to do, and this will have to happen for all three of these methods here, we're gonna want to just call an RPC. And that's cool because we can do that because we have the photon view. Figure that out in a second. I need to make the method. The master client is the server host. Damn it. Oh. I guess we'll just send it to others. You know, the really annoying thing is this isn't going to work. Actually, no, this will work. That's awesome. I was gonna say, if someone like laid a bomb and then disconnected, you won't be able to pick it up with this logic because it won't find that player, but I'm wrong because I have it set up so that when a player disconnects, ownership of that object goes to the host, which may fuck up some random things in some logic that I haven't thought about yet, but in this scenario it'll actually work because it'll still find the owner that can manage where the position of this thing gets sent. I think time bombs would basically never be able to be exploded, but that's kind of the expected behavior, I would imagine, at that point. Okay. This is something... I guess I could just try it. You know what? Let's just try it. I don't know if this is possible or not, but, This will not work. Because we can't just send the position, we need to send the actual player to track. Damn it. Okay, I have the worst idea. I think it's gonna work. but it is, rest assured, it is the worst idea. Get photon view ID. That's exactly what I was looking for. We already have that. That's a primitive. It should work over the wire. And that's actually all I need parameter-wise. See, when you're throwing it, I have a vector 3, so worst case, I can just send the XYZ. No problem. It's the pickup that's the bitch, because I need to, like, tie it to that player. This sucks hardcore. So give me every player controller. Ah, I hate this. Objects of type, not singular, damn you. First or default. Where player get photon view ID equals player photon view ID. There. Let it be known in perpetuity that I do not approve of this code. And then if target player is not null. Oh, also, more importantly, if this is not us, if we're not the owners of this bomb script, get out of here, we don't care. Also this. I think we can actually trust that photon view ID is consistent across, like, the session. I'm pretty sure that's, like, one thing I can count on. But rest assured, this code does suck. But specifically these two lines up here. Everything else is basically fine. Oh, actually, wait, no. We're gonna need to do a similar treatment here, I think. Wait, no we don't. No we don't. These two can be normal. They don't have to be fucked up like this one. Also, I need to actually reference the script, otherwise it's not going to... or method, I mean. Not going to work. What's up, Da Vinci's Creations? How you doing? God, I love netcode. Now, granted, this is the furthest I've ever gotten with a game with, like, online play. And, you know, I'm using a framework, but this is my first foray into, like, having net... I've done it, like, several different times. I guess the only other time that was kind of functional, I was gonna pull it up on screen, and then I realized that my, like, name is on the project, so I'm not going to, respectfully. But there was a global game jam where I put a game that had sort of, like the Jackbox, like, code that you put in. So, like, you go to a website, you put the code in, and then you could affect the person playing the game. Like, you could add wind, drop shit on their head. But that was just making web calls, so that was kind of straightforward. Like, I just had, like, a cheap and dirty web server I set up, and, like, a database to, like, track certain things to connect everyone. That was fun. Sadly, that game is no longer functional because the server I stood up for it, like, somehow, like, it wasn't growing in, like, usage, but somehow, like, I don't know if my trial ended or something, but, like, the free AWS, like, tier server that I had just started using too much and they started charging me, so I just shut it down. Regrettable. One day I might revisit that. I mean, honestly, literally all I need is a .NET Core ASP web server and a MongoDB database that can talk to each other, so it's not the most outlandish thing to set up another server that does that and then just change my game code to point to that. Anyway. There were other experiments as well. I had a mono game that I was trying to get working with netcode, and then in college for a while, I set up so many features in that game that, like, are things that are probably just all plugins at this day and age. Like, I had, like, a chat that would, like, roll properly and self, like, deteriorate over time. I had, like, player syncing stuff, stats, and whatever, and it was all just, it was a game I wrote in C++, but there were, like, no graphics and no gameplay. It was just, like, people moving around on the screen. Like, it was working, and it was all netcode, and you could, like, it had, like, a top-down Zelda perspective, and you could kind of, like, move from screen to screen together. again, so many pieces of functionality that I'm sure like today you could just probably install like 6 different things and make that work. I'm getting super nostalgic. I'm sure I have that code somewhere. Somewhere, TM. Somewhere in my like graveyard of external hard drives. The saddest thing though is the first game I ever made. I still have the source code for it, I know where it is, but it is so horribly designed. It only works on Java version 1.143, I think. Like, anything past that version, it uses stuff that was not in... was like deprecated or whatever and got like removed from future versions. Anything before it doesn't have all the features for it. Also, it needs the screen to be at an exact resolution, like your actual monitor resolution set to like a specific resolution that's like super non-standard because it's the monitor I had at home at the time when I was working on it. And there's actually like code checks for it because the way the level files load in, it loads from like the top left down, and I don't know why I didn't sync this, but like the player spawn is always in like the bottom left corner, so like there'll just be an empty space if your monitor is running at any other resolution, because I didn't account for that. Good times. Anyway, that game was a platformer about you're a little man with a bat and you have to go beat horses that will fight back at you. And I made it because my friend in calculus had a part-time job at the glue factory in our town, and we just had like the most horrible, edgy high school jokes about how it was his job to like personally, you know, make the glue, as it were, and then that became my idea for my game. And that's the first game I ever made. Questions? Okay. This actually I think is good to test. The only thing is I need to also sync these ones, so we gotta do that really quick. Oh wait, no, these need to be public because the RPC calls can't... I think I tried this and it like blew up. You know what? I could type the whole damn thing out. Just watch me. Drump. I just realized I've made a huge mistake. Instead of calling others, we need to call all. Because if it is our bomb, then we still need to run this code. Huh. Dude. I think we can call RPC functions directly. I can't remember though. I guess I'll find out very shortly. I did screw something up. Need to actually call toss bomb. Photon view dot RPC, name of toss bomb. Direction dot x, direction dot y. I might be able to pass a oh fuck. I might be able to pass a vector 3 in, but whatever. Why risk it? And by risk it, I mean I guess I could test it. I guess whatever. I think a vector 3. Yeah, it is a struct. I don't know if that means it can be tossed or thrown over an RPC, but maybe. All right. Baseline test. Let's see if we can pick the bomb up, but without even. Let's not bring a second player into this. It's fine. Let's just see if we can pick the bomb up. We can! Huzzah! It killed me! Hooray! You know what? I've got it. I've put too much code in here and now I've lost the update method. There we go. Wait, no. This will move. Oh god. So I need this to like. I don't know how I do this. Okay, so mesh wise, right? The mesh is at 0, 0, 0. So if I get the mesh's local position... If the mesh's local position... If the local Y is not RY. Okay, this is really stupid, but this will probably work, I think. Or wait, no, I want to take rigid body. Or wait, I had this the whole time? What the fuck? What do I use that for? What do I use that for? What? Oh, to turn it off, right. Okay. Well, whatever, man. Okay, so if it's not 0, we want to add that to our position. And subtract it from the other position. I guess here I could just use, like, the bomb. Or the bomb mesh. Because it's the same damn thing. Wait, this is a game object. Why can't I just do... Whatever, man. Oh, yeah, no, I figured that was the case. This code's kind of dumb, but it should fix the issue, I think. So for anyone not following along here, there's an issue where, because the bombs have gravity, but the gravity is based on the kinematic body that is, or sorry, the rigid body that is part of the actual physical visual representation of the bomb, and not the concept of a bomb, which is the top level that controls where, like, the explosion spawns in and everything. Those two things get disconnected when it falls any sort of distance, whether it be from the player picking it up and putting it down, or just from, like, spawning it above, like, solid ground. So this code should fix that. So we move this object, whatever the offset amount is, and then we subtract that offset from the sub-object. Oh, I used the local position, right? Yep, that's exactly what I want. And we can prove this works now, hopefully. On a more exciting note, the other code I wrote seems to be working in a room with one player. You know. Cool. Okay. Now our gizmos are on. Can I just, like, select everything? Does that work? No. Okay, whatever, man. It's fine. I almost fell in a hole. Whoops. Alright, bomb, show me your hitbox. Wait, no, don't show me your hitbox. Show me... actually, don't show me anything. Go to the editor. It's synced. Aw, baby. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and pick that bomb up. Always goes to the same spot. Excellent. If I go back to the editor, it should still be synced. It is indeed. And if I blow that bomb up, it's not going to be like 10 miles above or below. Nope. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Heck yeah. Wait, there's power-ups over here too. Oh, what do you know? Okay, so this should all be working. The next thing to check, though, is I need to go actually play this with 2 players and make sure that one player can pick up another player's bomb and vice versa. Oof. I need to make other builds, or cut another build soon for Itch. Now I really need the, the remote bombs. I really need to make some better, like, test maps to use. The fuck, man? Also, It's bugging me that my name was 2 this whole time. Okay, first of all, are these bombs where they should be? Or synced up? Yeah, they are. Dope. Second, as the host, I can pick these up, right? Well, that's a bit awkward. Okay. Oh, am I not syncing the Y position? I might not be. Okay, I might need to just change my sync settings then. Hopefully it's as simple as that. Can I pick these up as this guy? Kind of. So I bet on his screen I'm holding it above my head. Okay, I need to bring this over here. Sorry, I need to put this over. Fuck. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, okay. On their screen, I'm holding this above my head properly. But on the player screen, gravity is still happening. And it shouldn't be. Don't know how to fix that. We're close, though. Oh, also this bomb that's been moved over there. Can I still blow it up, like, with my bomb? Just random testing going on here. Yep. Worked on both screens. Unfortunately, there's only one... Maybe I can do this real quick, though. Yeah. Get it out of here. Hey, I got it out of here. And I assume I can kill this guy with this bomb that I brought over to him, right? Yeah. 2 wins. Okay. We're almost fully functional here. I gotta get throwing in the mix as well. Okay, so it syncs all that stuff. That's good. Ooh, you know what I should do? I feel like all the kinematic stuff I should... Or, sorry, all the rigid body stuff I should just disable if it's not you on the bomb mesh script. Also, why are you... What did I not save here? Okay. Whatever. It's fine, I guess. Bomb mesh. That's all well and fine. So I think really just on start basically is if it's mine, don't worry about it. Otherwise, go ahead and disable everything basically. Shit. The photon view is on the parent, not me. Okay, well, we can just make it is mine, I guess. What's wrong with that? What are you mad about? Wait, what? Is it though? Oh, it's protected. Well, I guess we just make it not protected then. What do I use this for anyway? Oh... Wait, no, what? Hold on. Is this not used anywhere currently? Other than where I was trying to use it? Weird. Okay. You know, we're only halfway through this. Actually, we're a little more than halfway through this, playlist, but I kind of want to, change things up a bit. Oh, we've already listened to this, too. I mean, not recently, but... Fuck it. I got Earthbound on my mind. We're listening to some gosh darn Earthbound music. There's not a thing you can do about it, chat. Yeah, it's been like a solid decade and some change since I last played Earthbound. Give or take. Not that, you know, that means anything one way or the other. I'm wondering if I should just full-on disable the rigid body. Oh wait, I cannot do that. I totally can do that though, hold on. Unity, remove component. Oh, destroy, okay, destroy that. Got you. Destroy. Heal. I think that'll do it. We need 2 players to test this, actually. Here we go again. Though, super simple test. All I gotta do is have one player pick up another player's bomb and see if it goes crazy or not. I'll bring my build window over here, why not? You know, I could make a map finely tuned to what I'm like trying to test, but I think this is fine, honestly. Okay. Ignore that 0 that you saw for like half a second. Okay. You pick this up. Or this, whatever. Do they still have gravity? No, oh my god. It's like barely on there, essentially. Okay, I'm pretty sure they do still have gravity. I will test that next, I guess, but, I think they totally do, though. Okay. Lift this over my head. Interesting. I feel like that might just be straight up, like, general issues with this, engine. Yeah, over here it's smooth, but like if I'm picking up someone else's bomb, ugh, God. Reminder that I don't have any smoothing code. Like the bomb literally sets the position, like just hard sets it to like wherever it's supposed to be. So. Yeah, gravity totally still exists. It's the red patch on the front of that has a collision box. I should probably remove that, honestly. So that was what was hanging on to the thing there. Okay, so I can't pick this up, right? There's no way. Yeah, good. Good. No! God damn it. I still had things to test. Whatever. It's probably fine. I can't believe that just happened, though. Alright. Let's chuck the bomb now. So, interesting thing about all that is it seems like there was some amount of, like, local syncing happening. Like, because it had a kinematic body, it would kind of set its positioning. I don't know how to put this right. Like, it would define its... Like, your local copy would be, like, processing it normally for, like, how it should move and stuff. But when I removed that, it was strictly reliant on, like, this auto sync that happens through our photon view. It's this thing right here, synchronize options. And it seems like that kind of just, like, isn't perfect. And it kind of sucks sometimes. That's why it's so jittery. That almost, like, makes me think, like, man, not to throw the whole framework out, but, like, it's like a fundamental issue, seemingly, with the way this networking framework I'm using works. You know, that's all. Can we not doing the online style where you just sync the player inputs across the network? I can kind of do that. The problem is, like, not really a problem, I guess. Like, I could push out the event like, hey, this person pressed this. It's an option. Actually, you know what? It's not a problem at all. That is an option straight up. And maybe that's what I should do here. And then at that point, I would just tell this thing, hey, don't sync anything. But then things could get out of sync, though, is the problem. I guess. Because, like, depending on, you know, like, there could be drift in, like, the calculations across different players, and people could see different things happen. With this, we at least have a relative guarantee that things will end up in the same state. It's a trade-off. It's a fair question. I don't know anything about stuff, but I read about people doing that style a lot. Yeah, no, that's it. And you can blame my education on this, honestly. It's deterministic. This is eventually consistent, and that works probably better in non-video game contexts. I just need to make this very clear to anybody watching. I'm gonna plead ignorance here. Like, this is my first, like, large-scale, real attempt at an online game. This could be a lesson learned. Like, maybe I should be doing that, and, like, even with the code I had, like, my infrastructure's not fucked to the point where I can't try that. What I would do instead, essentially, if I wanted to try that, is I'd go in the player controller, and on grab, or on pickup, right? I would just send a call out, like, hey, this player tried to pick this thing up. And then everyone could go process that relative to that player in their instance. I'd have a little bit of untangling to do, because there's a lot of stuff in here that's like, hey, if your instance is not owned by the current person running this app, ignore it. But once I got that undone, we could theoretically go down that road for sure. my gut reaction, and I could be super fucking wrong about this, is like, that sounds like fighting game level of like accuracy, but maybe that's what I need here, because clearly there's some drift, or not some drift, but like some lag, and I'm running it, you know, from my PC to my PC. Well, okay, that's not fair, because that's actually not true, because even though both of these instances are running on my PC, it's not like this is like a local closed loop. The framework, you know, it orchestrates itself through a centralized server, the Photon Network server that I have set up on my account. So like, it's still going out somewhere. And who knows, maybe me streaming this is like interfering with it a bit. I can't say for certain. Probably not, but it's a possibility, I guess. Like, there's some network interference. Also, I mean, fucking, let me run a quick internet speed test here. We're pretty fast right now. I was just, like, we got a solid, well, okay, pretty fast with so many asterisks on that statement. We're at about 16.7 megabits per second, and about 18 up. Sorry, 16.7 down, 17.5 up. Sorry, my stream setup down here is not utilizing the full potential of my actual internet connection. Streaming does cause a hit to it for sure, but not like an unrecoverable hit that I can't possibly overcome. And actually, I improved it recently. I mentioned, I don't know if this was yesterday or on Thursday, but one of the streams this week, we dropped some frames. It wasn't even a lot. I think it was like 20 or like 70 overall. But I was I was salty because I finally like stopped dropping frames like crazy over my streams, and we'd actually been going with 0 drop frames for like 3 solid weeks, and I said nothing about it because I didn't want to, like, I don't know, call me superstitious or whatever, but like, as soon as I pointed out something bad's gonna happen with it. But yeah, anyway, there's a lot of factors as to why that could be happening. It may not be the framework, I guess, is the TLDR. I may be doing things wrong also, though, as far as best practices go. Like, that's entirely possible. Yeah. Like, proper fighting game protocol is to, like, really have, like, the rollback code in place and, like, have when things happened, what was pressed, like, it's like a snapshot almost. I will say, not to be too flippant with this game, I don't want it to be, like, unplayably laggy or anything like that, but I am going for a more, like, casual, retro party style approach where, like, if there's some rough edges, I mean, I'm one fucking person making this game. I'm not trying to write excuses or anything, but like, this isn't supposed to be like, what's it called, Slippy or whatever, the Smash Bros. Engine or whatever for Melee that someone wrote. If I was doing that, I probably wouldn't use a framework. And by all means, I'm not like writing off everything you're saying. Your advice is taken, and I may go down that road in the future to test it out. I'm just trying to, like, scope things properly, you know? Anywho, let's make people let's add throwing to the bombs. So, toss bomb should more or less work just fine. All we gotta do... Well, not just fine, but we have 2 things we need to update. First is this. Oh, okay. Yeah, handle move player. Okay, so I think if move input X or Y is not, if either of them are not 0, then they're moving. Otherwise, they're not moving. It's incredibly convenient. I really, like, again, as I've already mentioned in this stream, like, I've messed with online play before, and every time I've hit that wall of like, man, just getting the netcode down is a fucking, like, hassle. Like, you would have a team of this shit dedicated on like a proper project, because you don't fuck around. I mean, it's exactly what you just said. Like, you don't fuck around with that. You want to get it like chef's kiss, perfect. But they do make frameworks for this stuff these days, and even in these frameworks, that logic is still plausible to go about. I'm a noob, and I watched, you know, a couple tutorials, but I haven't like read best practices and perfect theory on everything here. In a lot of ways, this project is a learning experience for me, and that's part of why I do want to mess with this stuff, for what it's worth. Oh shoot, I need to take this, the running speed into account as well. Damn it. Okay, so it's move dir times move speed. I can just do that, I guess. Is this from fucking Mother 1? It is. Hold on, I'm about to treat you guys to the best Earthbound song. The best of all the Mother Trilogy songs. You guys ready for this? Sorry, I just thought about Dungeon Man. I thought I'd put his fucking theme song on. You know, I'm really torturing myself with this too. This has backfired horribly. Alright. I regret everything immediately. Let's go with some Donkey Kong music. No. It's called toss. Move dir, X move speed. Also, we don't need to calculate move speed unless you're actually moving. And then otherwise, just call it drop. Cool. You know, to some degree, just to rein myself back in here, because I've had these conversations, just generally speaking, like planning for next projects and other stuff I want to do professionally with my game dev group. If I really was making something that's like kind of more casual, I guess, realistically speaking, I'd probably leverage services such as Steam Remote Play Together, where it's like you don't even need to put netcode in your game. You can just have the platform itself emulate other people's inputs. Again, that shit won't fly if you're making something competitive, but or not even competitive, but like something that is more online focused. In my book, like you leverage something like that if you have something that you want to allow online play, but like it's not the main draw, rather. Like if you're trying to recreate some sort of couch co-op feel, which to be fair, this project kind of is doing that, or like that's sort of my intent here. But anyway. Yeah, no, I think that's entirely valid, honestly. Now, you might find yourself constrained if you were trying to release it on more than just Steam. I'm sure other platforms have something similar, but like PC-wise, I don't think any other stores have that. I'm struggling to think. I mean, I'm sure Nintendo doesn't have that because Nintendo can barely fucking do netcode themselves. Xbox might have like a similar thing. I don't know. My last Xbox is a 360, so I'm like super far behind on that rodeo. Sony, as far as I know, doesn't have anything for that, but maybe they do, and I'm just completely fucking blind to it. There's a PS Now or whatever, but that's like their service streaming games to you. It's not quite the same thing. It's a huge fucking on-taking. Like, even just understanding, like, networking code, period, is, like, a whole thing. And then, like, that for games is, like, just... It's like you take, like, one specialization and then you have, like, a super specialization on top of it. That's all. It's why frameworks like this exist. I will say also, I learned the, like, basics of how this Photon Unity networking library works from, like, someone that sounded like they were, like, a teenager. They opened their video with, like, I don't have anything better to do, so I guess I'll just write a tutorial on how to make a game in Pun. And you know what? It's fucking worked so far for me, so thank you, random individual. I'd shout them out, but I can't remember their name right now. Not that I'm some, like, huge resource for how to learn how to make games, but... Sorry, I'm scrolling. I know I had this somewhere in here. Damn. Rugbug Redfern. That's the YouTuber's name. Point is, the resources are out there. Okay, so what we want to do now is apply a force to our rigid body. Add force, not apply force. And, oh, great, it comes in XYZ. Actually, wait, we don't want to do that. Well, maybe not quite. Ooh. Actually, this we don't even really want. We don't care what Y velocity they were going in when they threw it. Or maybe we do. Maybe we should multiply it by that. Well, no, because it'll be like... Ah, God. I think there should be a new internet law if you want to learn it, a 5th grader has a video on it. Basically. So, my problem with multiplying the Y by the value is that, like... you might be not moving vertically. In fact, you probably won't be. But I kind of want to still add that force, so we'll add it instead, I guess, here. Alright, so we'll add 2 more variables up here. Hope I typed that right both times. We'll say 10. Because why not? And this will just be 5. And I'm gonna pretend those numbers will be absolutely right. We'll never adjust them. totally not why I made them configurable values. You know. From here, I know the networking stuff works, so I'm just gonna do this locally. Well, all of it's local, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna turn off the gizmos. At this point, I know the collisions are working. We've known that for like an hour at this point. Should probably just hack it so I can like start with the appropriate Huh. Interesting. Well, that certainly exists, I suppose. Am I like clipping through stuff? Whatever, man. That's all stuff that needs to be rewritten in the grand scheme of like movement and stuff. Okay. I think there's a difference happening here. Oh, you know what? Maybe that force is just like nothing. I don't know why I hadn't considered that. Okay. Place the bomb. Edit the properties. Throw force. Horizontal, 100. Vertical, 50. Okay. Let's add some debugging in here just to make sure it is throwing it. Add force might not be working how I assume it will, but I don't know. Give me a sec, chat. Be back in just a moment. back. I don't know why I did a whoo into the mic, but whatever. Yeah, so we want to make sure that we are actually tossing the bomb versus dropping it. Should be fine, I guess. I can't imagine why this wouldn't work, but whatever. I bet this is like 0, 0, 0 somehow, even though we're clearly passing it in. I don't know. That's my gut. Probably didn't need to put that there. Like, it's gonna get called regardless, and we know the bomb is dropping, so it's like, whatever. Oh! Wait, no, that, yeah, I'm getting fucking bamboozled here. So, yeah, that all makes sense. Wait a second. Does add force even work on the bombs? I think that's... oh god. That's the problem. I think we made the bombs like... yeah, so we can't use force on them because they are not kinematic. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay. This suddenly makes a lot of sense. Okay, that's fine. We just have to make the bomb arc in the position of whatever, like, direction we want to send them in. So we need a new state for the bombs, essentially, here. And to avoid... I don't know, maybe we shouldn't avoid gravity. Maybe I should turn that back on immediately anyway. Whoa. Honestly, probably just apply the, like, initial force here, I guess. Okay. I think we know this is working, so we don't need to worry about that now. Probably turn this back on as well. I guess I never did this either, but it doesn't really matter, I guess. It's fine. So that's fine. In our update loop, we need to have a handle throw. So we'll call this from our bomb mesh. If we collide with anything. What, damn it. Enter. I don't know why I thought it was some different use of words there, but whatever, man. That's fine. Why is this so loud? Yeah, whatever. I'll leave it be. Okay. This is all good. If you collide with something... But the player, though... Okay, you've got the collider, so if you're a player controller, don't worry about it, I guess. Well, no, that's not right either. Well, yeah, you won't be actually colliding with them, so we're good. Like, cause if it hits another player, it should stop. It should stop the throw. Man. This actually has become complicated, because here's the problem. Okay, so gravity's back on, that is fine. I guess actually, maybe we should apply a force, like, okay. This is really stupid, but like, maybe at the start of the throw, it should apply a force vertically to the object? And then we're like good, I think, maybe? I don't know that this will work properly, but maybe it will. Um... And basically this should just keep going until it tells us to stop via a collision with the mesh. Or an explosion, I guess. Okay. Otherwise, basically just keep moving this, like... Keep moving it along the line, I think, and that's probably okay. Until it hits, and it'll either hit something or it won't. And then gravity should be handling the y-axis, I think. The only thing that's messed up here is the, these are like super... Oh, you know what? Actually, no, crap. Need to toss a time.delta time in here. I guess fixed update would probably fix that. Anyway, even still, this is probably like way too flippin' hard. Well, we can adjust, right? Let's prove that it's too hard first, and then we'll circle back and deal with it. I probably guarantee you, though, that that is probably, like, way too flippin' hard. Yep. Yeet! Oh, shit. Wait, why is it just going on one axis? Oh, shit. Every time? Something is messed up here, but I'm not sure what. It's like it's not applying the x-axis. Didn't mix these guys up. Okay. Let's do it this way. Let's be smart about this. Something is most certainly messed up. I'm not sure what, though. Yeah, it's just getting zeros for the X direction. But why? Who's reporting the wrong direction here? Okay. Up here. Direction dot X. Okay. Am I fucking stupid? Oh, God. I am stupid. Shit. Okay, so we need to take that and multiply it by the player's, like, forward direction. Reminds me of something that one of my professors said in college. This isn't quite the same principle, but it is somewhat related to this vector math going on right now. He would always say, normalize your vectors. Not quite the issue here, but this is just like the raw input of the controller and not what direction we are currently facing. So we need to take the game object forward, or well, transform forward. What are you mad about now? Oh shit. Okay, well, hold on. How do I tell which way the player goes? But that is the issue, though. We're just in the raw input. Since I'm just holding forward, it's just like, yeah, you're just holding forward, so that means the Z direction, right? But no, it does not. Move amount. Move amount. Oh, that's the current position. Smooth velocity. Smooth time. Oh, wait, okay. Transform direction. Okay, we gotta take like all of this shit. God. Okay, ignore the delta time, or the fixed delta time. Maybe I shouldn't ignore that? I don't know. Think that basically gets us what we need. I hope. I don't know. Drinking and doing math. These things do not always mix. That is all. Alright, bye. Shit. Well, it has different outcomes now. Wait, I can't drop the bomb. Wait, no. Why are you throwing? Damn it. Damn it. Okay, well, that's certainly something. What if I take out our current position? Okay, so that actually works, except one problem. We're still throwing the bomb when I shouldn't be. Which is not... Like, when I'm standing still, it shouldn't throw the bomb, but everything else works. Except for that, I don't know what that was. I guess maybe that's kind of related to what's going on, for what it's worth. Nothing else. So it's also not super smooth. Maybe I could smooth the movement out, but that's okay. We can deal with that later, I guess. Probably shouldn't be like football chucking it like straight in someone's face either. That's probably a little bit overpowered, you know? But hey, whatever. Me explosion. It was too big. So, the real problem here is, it's never dropping it for some reason. Maybe I just need to calculate velocity every single time, because that might be the secret sauce here. Maybe velocity just doesn't actually matter. Or, sorry, maybe the inputs, the raw inputs themselves don't matter, which I thought that would be the better way to calculate this, but maybe it's not. You know what? Hold on. Let's actually get this figured out, you know? That fixed it. I hope that fixed it? No, 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 no. See, once you start moving, it's like, okay, well, you're clearly always moving. I don't understand why, though. Like, straight up, like, I don't get this. Velocity should be the frickin' deciding factor here, but it's not. Not velocity, sorry. Like, raw input, right? Like, I'm not pressing fucking anything right now. Which, like, is evident by the fact that the player's not moving at all. But, yeah, it seems to not care about that. Let's debug a bit deeper, shall we? So, the one mildly comforting thing is that, like, when we don't move at all in the match, it thinks we're not moving. That was fucking wild. I don't know what just happened there. Something's kind of fucky here, isn't it? What is happening? How does that even happen? Okay, so throwing bomb at direction, like... Oh! Oh, shit, I undid the position part. Okay, well, that's mildly understandable. What happens when move ends or whatever? On move player ends, stop player movement. Player movement input. Maybe I should take move amount? But wait, hold on. Oh. Oh, hold on. Oh, crap. Okay. Ah, I've been fooled. Okay, so there's like a dampening... Man, this is so fucking complicated. So we take... I guess I could just take move amount. I don't need to do anything else beyond that. Like, oh my god. I don't even need to recalculate player dir and player speed. Like, that was dumb to do that. Maybe. Oh yeah, you just take that though. Okay, so forget all this noise. Just calculate the same thing again, because we're doing this just once per throw. So it's not like expensive or anything, that's fine. Yeah, screw all this crap. And there you go. There you have it. I think that's all I needed to do. Okay. Well, overcomplicated, yes, but, you know, hopefully we got it done. First and foremost, without moving, can I lay a bomb, pick it up, put it back down? Sure can. Toss the bomb, put it down gently, place another bomb. Oh god, throw him out of here. If I run with it, does it go further? It sure flippin' does. That probably is throwing it too hard. Should like maybe dampen that a bit. I kinda want it to arc more. So I'm thinking like, well, first of all, you know, forget tweaking it manually. I don't know. It's just not gonna work. Like, bam. What are you mad about? What do you want to be called? Oh, yeah, I guess. Oh, shit. Alright, pop this up like a lot more, like triple it. This, half this, I think. Like, it's about right, but it's not quite right. Actually, on that note, these are already done, so we don't need to mess with them anymore. So, don't make them a public variable any longer. Oh, E. Those are probably also done, and I could remove them as public variables, but whatever. I'm gonna leave them for now. Oh, whatever, who cares? Hopefully that's good. So we tripled the vertical lift of the throw, which I'm not even sure is working right. And we also halved the horizontal throw. Yeah, I don't think that vertical lift is working at all. Or it's working in the opposite direction. No, I think that's probably working, right? Wait, hold on. Hold the fucking phone here. Damn it. I want to throw a bomb into an explosion and prove that it blows up from said explosion, but I keep missing. No! Alright. Lay bomb. Back up. Lay bomb. Pick up bomb. Fuck. I mean, like, it's probably working, but, like, is it, though? You know? Fuck. Explosion's too brief. Here. Explosion radius increase. Give me that. Hey, it works. Okay, cool. I honestly though, like, alright, let's be absurd for a second here. Let's try 1500. Our bomb should go to the goddamn moon at this force here. Although, granted, we're applying a force which is very different from like the other logic that's running. So like, I don't know. Maybe it's disingenuous to use the same like naming convention across those. Don't really care. Oh, no, it does work. Okay. Bye. Okay, so like, we just have to tweak this, I guess. I could expose that variable real quick, just to see like, or I can go grab the remote bomb power up and then just mess with it as I tweak it. That kind of is the arc I'm looking for. No, I want a little more than that. You know what? We need a third variable here. Let's serialize both these. Just for the sake of what did I just do? So what I'm doing with this is we multiply with that and then add the vertical. So like, I feel like this should be like maybe like 300, and then we multiply probably like more like 25, I guess, but we can tweak this as we test it here. We can test it with the same bomb as long as I get this remote bomb power up. Baby. Although it'll probably go off the ledge most of the time. Okay. That was more or less the right arc I was looking for, although it kind of went too high. I don't know. These arenas are just kind of small, honestly. Arenas. Like, maybe it should be less in terms of like horizontal momentum. I don't know. It's like, here's me running and throwing. That is further than the entire goddamn area. Like, that's a lot. And that's not me running, but me jumping. Oh man, okay, I was trying to like do like a downward thing. I could tweak that, I guess, but You know what? Honestly, maybe that should like cancel this out. That's the right vertical I'm looking for here, but I do want your like current vertical velocity to actually play into like where it lands or whatever. It seems like it's not really affecting it that much because it's so low. Now having said that, this stuff is kind of fucky. No, not this stuff. This stuff. I think like half that would be fine. You know what? Let's serialize this field as well, because why not? We're tuning stuff in. We gotta keep tuning stuff in, that's all it is. Ah. Are we out of music? We're out of music, hold on. Is it Earthbound again? No, it's not. Okay. Okay. We're getting there. It's and I feel like it's not really doing anything with regards to the Alright, let's go grab the remote bomb and adjust this a bit here. Alright, bomb. Also, hold on. Allow... Draw! Did I not grab the right thing? Did I fuck up? That is the remote bomb power-up. Got it. Did I walk into a hole or something? I don't know what happened there. Anyway. Hello, bomb. I didn't save. Wait, I did save. Oh, because it's constant. I'm gonna say double this up. I almost want the horizontal force like even less than what it's doing right now. Maybe it should be like 2 instead of 2.5. Okay, fuck yourself. I don't know why this is doing that, but whatever, man. It's fine. That actually felt pretty right. But the thing is, like, I can also do like this and run and then, well, it's almost what I'd expect though. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it should go shorter when you're like throwing it short. Anyway, let's tune all of this shit in. Using a remote bomb. So I can actually, you know, have some tweaking when it goes to like a item that doesn't just immediately blow up after like 3 seconds or whatever it is. Okay. Number 1. No. Reduce that to 2. Hello? What is... Which one's which? Damn it! Ah! No. Wrong. I know at 10,000. Fuck it. How about that? How about them apples? Okay. That actually kind of felt mostly right. Oh shit, the bomb tech in this game though. What the fuck? Okay, that's all well and fine. I must be editing the wrong horizontal force. I don't know what's happening. Yo, Night Revenge. What's up, everybody? Let me toss you a quick shout out real quick. Welcome to hell, everyone. We're currently working on this. I hit the detonate button by accident. Damn it! We're working on this this online net play party game, which may or may not resemble a beloved bomb-based franchise, which actually has a new title coming out this year. That probably zero of you knew about. I'm excited though, because apparently they're bringing back the defunct Battle Royale mode that was in a free-to-play game that they just took off the market. Fuck you if you spend any money on it, straight up. Anyway, enough about that game. How was your stream? Hope it went well. Welcome on in, everybody. Right now I'm trying to tweak. So tonight we've added the ability to pick up bombs and carry them around. I could, oops, there it goes. I could go launch a second client and prove to you that this works across multiple people playing the game simultaneously. I won't do that until I have everything tuned in correctly. Right now I'm just trying to make the throwing mechanics work properly. This is gonna be another $70 title. You know it, baby. Okay, so I don't know how to expand this window. Oh wait, I do know how to expand this window. Which one's additional? Oh no, I had this right. Okay, so like, man. Okay. Wait, what is the Y velocity then? Oh god, I don't have any debug logs for that. Okay, well, that's just fine and dandy. Whatever, we'll adjust it to this. I'm trying to make it so that the, it's backwards! That's the problem, it's backwards! Damn it! Okay. So when you're going downwards, it's actually like flinging it up higher. That bomb is planted in the ground. I might be able to pick it up still, though. Cannot. Fun side question here. So we solved this problem earlier in stream tonight. Where is that bomb? There it is. Okay. The syncing code is working properly. That's awesome. Okay, but more importantly, without restarting, let's make another bomb real quick. Okay, new bomb. We're gonna set you to negative 3,000, or not even negative 3,000, negative 300. Pick you up. We'll throw you while we're going downwards. It gets fucking spiked to the ground as it should. Okay, I think it did the same when we went up. Okay, yeah, no, that's it just seems to go down no matter which direction we're moving in. What the fuck? Why? Okay, you know what? I need to log the Y direction. Let's just go ahead and figure that shit out. Oh, so our Y is always 0, but why? Literally why, though? Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. I think we're just actually passing bad info here. Yeah. Ah. Damn it. Okay. So we need to pass in, like, move amount is whatever, but we have, like, our jump command, right? God, how does this work? Okay, on jump. How does that... Oh, we just straight up... God, that sucks. That really sucks. Okay, well, we'll just take that and add that to our thing or whatever, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how to use that properly. Also, pardon me for a moment, chat. We're gonna get this working, but also I need to tinkle, so I'll be back in a second here. Alrighty. Oh. Let's go ahead and make this work. Not handle move camera, not handle move player. Oops. Dot throw. Dot toss. Maybe I should call that throw. Toss is a weird... You know what? Throw. There, fixed. Now it's called throw. I'm sorry. Oh, rigid body. I'm stupid. Alright. This'll work, I suppose. Yeah. Let's still leave everything else editable. I think our general throwing strength on the X and Y, or X and Z axis are fine. It broke again. I don't know why this has been happening all night long, but it has been. Okay, that's certainly a direction the bomb can go in. Okay, yeah, it's respecting the values now. It needs to maybe not do that so violently, but otherwise we're good. So let's go ahead and grab a remote bomb, where we can tweak the values in real time. So instead of like 300 or whatever it does right now, how about 30? You know? That shit almost fell off the cliff. And that should have been moving downwards, actually, which is concerning. Okay, that went a little bit higher. So we want, like, peak of jump, mid jump, and, like, downwards as well. I can't seem to time it right to get the downwards angle right now. Mid jump seems like kind of right. I let it go too late. That wasn't even... I died. I feel like it needs less, though. Less power. That's in the bomb script. Go over here. Oh, well, it's at like 600 right now. Well, 15 period? Like just 15? Though seems maybe right. I don't think that actually applied to the prefabs, but we can fix that. Hello? Maybe? Alright, let's see. Okay. So if I do that, it goes like fucking way out of bounds. So maybe that's a little overpowered, I don't know. It also doesn't seem to be going downwards properly, but I might just be timing it poorly, I'm not sure. You know what? I think the upwards boost is maybe overpowering the momentum now. Yeah. Indeed. Okay, we can look at this though, mathematically, right? I wonder if that is backwards though. Like, okay, let's try something ridiculous, right? Not that. No, no, back up. Thank you. So we've got remote bombs now. Let's minus 150 this. Okay. Yeah, it pops it up more in the air if I'm going down. So I have it in the right direction. Wait, no, I got it backwards. Hold on. Hold on. Fuck. Alright. Make a ridiculous number. Where did you go? Fuck. Oh, into the ground. Okay, so I think I have it in the right direction, though. It's kind of weird because it'll pop up no matter what, basically, because it's like adding that force regardless. But we want that, because like when I'm moving normally, right, without jumping, like that feels right. It's just, it's like completely overriding any amount of momentum that I might be adding or removing from it via jumps. In fact, it's like, I guess it does go shorter. I don't know, maybe this is right. Maybe those are the right values that we have right now. The only thing I need to do, that was weird, is I also need to have it throw the bomb if you're like moving vertically. Like that needs to be a thing. Up or down, doesn't matter. Also, I need to delete remote bombs if they fall below, or any bombs if they fall below the like death plane or whatever. Okay, so like, no. Okay, shit. Hold on. Flip that. What was the value I was using there? No. Throw the bomb. Shut up, Goon. Pause. Enhance. 2.5. 150. 15. Okay. Those are all good values, seemingly. So, take the serialized field out of this. Make them consts. And that's balanced. Also, this will probably become a clip, which I need to delete, I guess, because sometimes Twitch is just like, hey, let's make a clip out of that, I guess. Cool. Whatever. Alright, so we have our values for the throw speed and all that stuff. The only thing I need to do still is whether or not to throw or drop. It should be not based on whether or not you're moving this, but also on top of all that, if your rigid body dot velocity dot y is not 0. Think that'll do it. Let's do a quick test to make sure it doesn't fucking explode from that logic. I can't imagine that it would, but hey, you know, gotta test stuff. Otherwise, what's the point in making it a game? Oh, I can take out those throw debug statements. But yeah, it seems to be throwing, so that's good. Ah! And yeah, it'll just throw it flat if you're not moving, which is what I want it to do. It shouldn't be just moving randomly, so that's good. Goon was killed by Goon blew themselves up. Awesome. We did it, chat. Alright, so that's throw logic, I think. I think there's nothing else to do here. So that's good. I think everything is tuned in. We're good to go. Like, yeah, that should do it. And hey, look, it's past midnight. Not by a lot, but it is. I know I started late tonight. Sorry for anyone that's itching for some more Goon game dev. But yeah, there's plenty more on our plate for this project. Like I said, tonight I had like a freaking smorgasbord of like stuff I could have jumped into, like co-op mode is another thing I want to work on soon-ish. Freaking revamping the entire like collision system to be more like customly controlled, so that, you know, we're not just beholden to like Unity's default rigid body system, which is not perfect, honestly. I mean, not that it should be. It's a great way to like start a game, but like you really need to like code your own game in at some point if you're making a full title. Even some networking syncing stuff is left in the wings of what we've been doing tonight. And what else did I put on my short list of stuff to do? I'm looking it up right now. Sorry, I just read a funny comment in Discord. Anyway, God. Oh yeah, growing bombs. I don't know if we're gonna have like growing bombs be a thing. Like, okay, my biggest like, not failure, but like, my biggest pet peeve about this project so far is that like, this is so obviously a Bomberman clone, and I want this to be something different. I don't want to just be like, hey, I made this copy of this thing. Like, hey, you guys like? It's cool, isn't it? Like, hey, we made this fucking crappy Bomberman clone. I guess no Bomberman game ever had a level editor in it, but that's neither here nor there, I guess. Regardless, I wanna like kind of separate our identity here. You know, we got our remote bombs. We got some connective tissue of like the core system itself, but in reality, I'd like to get away from that and kind of cut my own path, as it were. Yeah. And then, oh, you know what? We need to have respawn logic for like kill count mode and all that stuff. So let me go back and just show that off real quick. So like you can in the match settings, you can play survival or kill count mode, but if your kill count is higher than the number of players in the server, you actually can't win. Unless you put a time limit on, then whoever has the most kills at the end of the time limit will win. Or it'll be a draw if there's a tie. But yeah, if you don't have a time limit on and you're playing kill count mode and there's more than the number of players in the server, like, you're fucked. Yeah, also we don't even have, like, this sudden death doesn't work. We should make that work. The bomb, sorry, you guys can't read that probably, but we got cannonball sudden death, that does work. Bomb rain, that does not work. So, you know, more sudden deaths. Even beyond these two, I'd like to have more than that. You know, just more like nice stuff in the game is what's on the horizon. But for tonight, I'm gonna get going, and no stream tomorrow. Tuesday, listen, I am personally very excited. I don't care if it's good or not. If every single game is the worst thing ever, I'll still be happy. I'll say that. There is a new Haunted PS1 demo disc coming out. It's not a demo disc because they aren't releasing a demo disc this year, but they are releasing, you know, a collection of collaborative short story horror games. It's the same consortium, different people, I think, individually. But yeah, if you guys remember when I played Chain, Chain, it was a acronym for like collective something. The end was narrative. I don't know. Yeah, no demo disc this year, but they are releasing a sequel to Chain, and they're calling it Changed. I don't know what this acronym stands for. Actually, hold on. Let me just go to their fucking Twitter really quick. Not Twitch. Damn it. Found it. There we go. But I'll be doing this on Tuesday because it comes out on Tuesday. Yeah. CHAINGED. Coming out June 6th at 6 p.m. GMT, which is before my stream starts. So I should be able to download it in time and we can play that shit. This one's been over a year in the making, a follow-up to Chain, but instead of 20, we now have nearly 40 games and branching timelines. That is not... Oh yeah, no, that is the postee here. Okay. I'm fucking hyped though. Can't wait. Actually, you know what? Interesting enough, this is not coming through the actual, that was just retweeted by them, I guess. 14 hours ago. Can you hold your excitement chained up for just a couple more days? Because your life will be changed very soon. Can't wait, actually, though. That'll be dope. That's Tuesday's stream. And another thing about it either, looking forward to it. Heck yeah. I am too. Listen, I am a fucking kid at Christmas every time Haunted PS1 releases something. It may actually not be not being released through them, but it seems like it might be. I don't know. I'm a little confused, honestly, but I'm going to play that game regardless of whether or not they're affiliated at all. The actual originator of said tweet is Adam Pipe, who is a game dev. So I don't know if that person's been involved in other Haunted PS1 stuff. Doesn't matter. I'm preaching to the choir right now, so I'm sorry. But I'm very excited. Again, I'm a kid at Christmas right now. But yeah, that'll be Tuesday's stream. Thursday, also very hype. Well, to me anyway. After a year and like 3 months, I'm finally coming back to Elden Ring. We're gonna finish that goddamn game. And by goddamn game, I mean that fucking magnificent work of art that I abandoned just because I don't really play games outside of stream, and like I decided to do other stuff stream-wise, and I didn't finish the game. Like, how many hours in are we? Okay, at this point, again, I haven't touched it in about a year and 3 months, I think, right? Right, I say, as anyone else can see my Steam right now. Yeah, no, okay, here you go. I can prove it. Nope, I have people's names there, don't do that. Okay, never mind. Last played March 19th, 2022. 40 hours playtime, 39.4 if you want to be technical, whatever. We have 2 of the 5 seals. I'm sure there's more stuff. Wait, 6? 5? I forget how many Lord seals there are at this point. We have 2 of them though. Only 2 of them. And I'm sure there's stuff after that too. So yeah, we got a ways to go for sure. But I'm excited to come back to that game because I fucking love FromSoft games. I say, having only ever played Demon Souls, Dark Souls, well, all the Dark Souls games. I played Sekiro. I actually haven't finished Sekiro. I need to finish that game. I finished Bloodborne, and I played, oh god, what is it called? Kingsfield 4, I think? Hold on, I'm looking this up right now. Kingsfield, the Ancient City. Which one is that? That's 4, okay. That's the one Kingsfield game I played. Yeah. Didn't finish that one, but I did play it. I haven't played a single Armored Core game, but I will be playing the new Armored Core game. I might play some other ones prior to that. But I also probably won't be playing the new one on release date, because I think I'm going to be out of town on the day that game comes out, because it's like August something, and I'm traveling in August, so whatever. That's fine. But yeah. Anyway, that's the forecast for this month. Also, more game dev of this is every Sunday. We're going to keep Sunday game dev streams on this game. I'm going to finish this game, hell or high water. It's going to take all year, but we're going to do it. Because I have so many other features planned. If, well, hell, I mean, not to self-promote, I'm fucking streaming, whatever. Like, just to pull up my page for the game, I have my plans for, like, well, I guess that's full release, but this is kind of what I want for, like, the beta release, I guess. Yeah, so here's what's in our alpha right now. We have versus mode, we have a level editor. You know, you can play the custom levels online. There's some controller support, but I want to get a like co-op mode going. I want to get well, we actually kind of have config for match settings already. Just needs like more details to it right now. More power-ups, yeah, want to do that eventually. Audio, you know, futuristic feature here. Want to get some actual sound in the game at some point, and music and all that jazz. You know, get actual models with animations in it. What else? Sudden death mode. Well, that's already done. Well, kind of. We have one sudden death mode right now. It does work, but more editor features. Oh yeah, I really want to enhance the editor, like, overall. Just like, not just more stuff you can set in it, but just like better usability in it. Sorry, I'm just showing my roadmap now. I'm rambling because I'm at the end of stream, as usual. You know, honestly, this shouldn't even be a bullet point. I guess it's a bullet point because, like, I guess you might not just assume this is a thing. But, like, yeah, I guess with co-op mode, All right. There is a technique in software called dog fooding, where actually it does not come from a software origin, I guess, but it comes from a dog food company that allegedly, you know, ate the dog food to produce a better quality dog food product. So the idea, the spirit behind that is, like, if you were developing tools for your user base to use for your thing or whatever, you should use those tools in your own work on said product, because it will only enhance, like, the overall experience overall. So I'm trying to stick to, like, any level I make in the game should be made through my editor, and if I'm missing something in there, I should add to it. As such, this is sort of a redundant bullet point, but, you know, whatever, who cares? Local stuff, I don't know, that might not make the cut, honestly, but we'll try, I guess. Bots, hell yeah, I want to get those in there. Cheat codes, fuck yeah, I love me some retro cheat codes. Gotta put that in. Community mod support, yes. I don't know, I don't know how to, like, facilitate that better than I'm already doing, with, like, trying to build everything in engine with, like, the customization tools. There may be some extra stuff I throw in there per that bullet point, but we'll see. But yeah, that's that. As you can see, I don't know, I'm just reading my itch.io page now, but fourth quarter this year, that's my aim of getting the beta out. That should have hopefully almost all this stuff, if not all of it. And then, like, you know, full release, question marks. I'm in no rush. There's literally no reason that I'm, like, sweating for this. That's all. But yeah, that's what that is what's on the horizon for this. One thing not mentioned in that checklist there that is something I need to solve for pretty soon in terms of, like, how this engine is going to work at all. I need to kind of rework the core of, like, how player movement works, and, like, not just rely on custom, not custom, the opposite of custom, basic rigid body, like, code to, like, just handle collisions and, like, stopping players from moving and stuff. Like, I need to make that a part of, like, how movement works in the game and manage it that way. But yeah, all that is for another day. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. Thanks again, Night Revenge, for the raid. I'm gonna get going. Like I said, no stream tomorrow, but stream on Tuesday for sure. We'll be playing Chained Goon Night to you all. Got some throwing mechanics added to our game, which, you know, it's not nothing. And it works across networks, so that's good. But yeah, peace.